today, we're diving into a product that's probably sitting in your drawer right now, Vaseline. You might think it's just for dry skin, but what if I told you Vaseline can be your secret weapon in your beauty routine? In this video, I'm sharing 10 amazing Vaseline beauty hacks that are going to blow your mind. Stay till the end because hack number 10 is something you've never heard before. Hack number 1, lip scrub. Let's start with a super simple DIY lip scrub. Mix a small amount of Vaseline with some sugar. Gently rub it on your lips to exfoliate dead skin and reveal smooth, soft lips. Do this once or twice a week, and you'll never need store-bought lip scrubs again. Hack number 2, eyelash moisturizer. Want longer-looking lashes? Apply a tiny bit of Vaseline to your eyelashes before bed using a clean mascara wand or a cotton swab. It moisturizes and strengthens the lashes, making them appear thicker and healthier over time. Hack number 3, make perfume last longer. Here's a little-known tip: apply Vaseline to your pulse points, like your wrists or neck, before spraying perfume. It helps lock in the scent, making your fragrance last all day long. Hack number 4, tame flyaways. Struggling with baby hairs or frizz? Rub a tiny amount of Vaseline between your fingers and lightly smooth down those flyaways. Just be sure not to use too much, less is more. Hack number 5, DIY highlighter. Out of highlighter? No worries. Dab a little Vaseline on your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, and your brow bone for a natural, dewy glow. It's subtle but stunning. Hack number 6, cuticle softener. Massage Vaseline into your cuticles daily to keep them soft and prevent painful hangnails. It also gives your nails a nice shine. Hack number 7, foot and heel treatment. Cracked heels? No problem. Apply a generous amount of Vaseline to your feet before bed, put on socks, and wake up to baby soft feet. It's like a spa treatment at home. Hack number 8, brow gel substitute. Need to shape your brows but out of brow gel? Use a small amount of Vaseline to tame and shape them. It keeps them in place all day and adds a bit of shine. Hack number 9, prevent hair dye stains. Before coloring your hair at home, apply Vaseline along your hairline, ears, and neck. It creates a barrier so the dye doesn't stain your skin. Hack number 10, makeup remover. Out of makeup remover? Vaseline works wonders. Apply it gently to your face and wipe off with a cotton pad. It removes even waterproof mascara, plus, it's super gentle on the skin. And that's it, 10 genius beauty hacks using Vaseline that you can try right now. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share your favorite Vaseline hack in the comments below.